The acai berry hype.
Acai berries have been labeled a superfood, with supplements and juices claiming to boost weight loss. Their popularity soared with promises of rapid fat burning and appetite control. But is there real science behind these claims, or is the acai berry just the latest health trend?
What's inside acai berries?
Acai berries are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. These nutrients contribute to overall health and may support heart health or digestion. However, no unique substance in acai berries has been identified as a direct trigger for weight loss. Their nutrient profile is similar to many other berries.
Scientific studies on weight loss.
Examining published research, no credible studies clearly link acai berry consumption to measurable weight loss in humans. While some animal studies suggest possible benefits, these have not been reliably replicated in people. Most human studies on acai focus on antioxidant effects, not weight loss.
Marketing versus reality.
Many acai products are marketed with bold weight loss promises, but these claims are mostly unsupported by science. Some supplements even contain added sugars or fillers that can be counterproductive to healthy weight management. The U.S. Federal Trade Commission has warned against unsupported acai weight loss advertisements.
The bottom line, myth or miracle?
Acai berries do not have special weight loss powers. Including them as part of a balanced diet may offer general health benefits due to their nutrients. However, for lasting weight loss, proven approaches like regular exercise and a varied, calorie-conscious diet remain the most effective methods.